Here we are in the bonsai garden. Today I got some new plants. They are Kingsville boxwoods. This little one is really cool. I got a good deal on these from Gosseler Farms. Got 3 of them. Ooh, don't fall off. They're not big. They're not giant. They're pretty cool. This one in particular is really cool. This one's pretty good. This one here, man. Look at that thing. It's already looking like a little bitty bonsai. Pretty red. This one looks nice and healthy. Got some weird trunkage in there. It's got potential. They're going to need to be potted. Well, here's those Kingsville boxwoods. They're all potted up. A couple of them have pretty cool starts to trunks. They're not big. I really like the way this one looks. Over there. This one is in good shape. Holy shit. I just dropped this one. Sucks. Look how cool this one looks. This one's nice and full. They're there. Hopefully in 25 years they'll look neat.